Hey Alex, do you want to sign your ABCs for Mom?
A, B, C, D, E, F, D. Eight, I, J, K, L, M.
How do you make your three? And See, wait. Can you show Mommy how to spell your name?
A.
Wait, don't move. Okay. Sign your name. Okay, how about, can you spell hen? Sound it out. Hen, that's right. Yeah.